Hi, and I'm Chris Brown, and today we're going to be taking a look to see if the 35mm 1.8 DX lens is any good for YouTube videos. So I'm roughly 10 videos into my YouTube channel, and when I started my channel I decided to use the iPhone XS to film my videos, as I wasn't entirely convinced over the quality coming out of my Nikon D5300. It wasn't the image that concerned me, it was more to do with the sound output that the camera gave me, even with the external mic attached. So I gave in and decided to give my 18 to 55mm a chance. My first video came out okay, but my second, the lighting was really poor and the lens struggled to make anything of it really. To be fair, my lighting system was a bit non-existent if I'm honest, so obviously that didn't help in the slightest. So all this made me start to think I needed to improve the quality of my videos. So first thing I did was order a light, and then once I'd ordered that I was just sat there thinking, oh, I've got a 35mm prime, shall I give that a go? What will that be like for video? The 35mm prime is quite a nice lens for photography, especially its price point, which is like £150, so it's really cheap for the DX system. And due to that price point, it's a great lens to get started when you begin your photography journey. So this thing has a 1.8 aperture compared to the max 3.5 aperture on my kit lens. So straight off the bat it's going to let more light in, and it's pretty damn sharp as well, and gives some nice blurred out backgrounds, which is the sort of thing I'm after. My main concern was the focusing system, as this lens is the older AF-S, whereas my newer kit lens is the AF-P. So the AF-P is dubbed as a more quieter and smoother focusing system for video. I noticed instantly the quality of the footage after I filmed with this lens and what I'm filming on it now. Obviously with the lower aperture it enables me to reduce my ISO, which give me a little bit extra quality in the footage. The focusing isn't the fastest, so if you move around it doesn't always pick straight up and can be quite slow. See if we can. So it's not exactly lightning fast, but you don't need it to be continuous for something like this. You can just set focus manually and keep your focus at a fixed focal point. So I might cut to a bit of B-roll to try and show some footage of this lens. Obviously this video is filmed with this lens, but I'll try and show you something other than just me. Time the sun comes out is when I do this video. Bearing in mind it's also like 6:30 in the morning. So at some point in the future I may take a look at the 35mm 1.8 DX lens to see what it's like for taking photos. So if you're interested in that, click either a link up there if I put it there, or I'll put it down in the description. Obviously that video will come after this video. All in all, I'm pretty happy with this lens as a lens to film my videos on. I've got to take into other considerations like lighting and the age of my camera. Although my camera's only a year and a half old, it is actually a 2013 model. So the technology in that is pretty far behind the cameras on the market today. So let us know in the comments below if you think this lens is any good for video. Not everyone will have the same opinion. So if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button to see more of me and any future videos I might bring to the table. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.